Aptos dump it exactly to the best zone to buy on a Bybit and an OKX. What's happened recently and what we can expect next for the Aptos. Guys, take a look. You remember the initiation accumulation pump model. We tracked this model since listing on the major exchanges since 2022. Here the listing was on October 2022, and almost on all major exchanges the listing was like $1. And imagine, after the full 3 years basically, we landed to the best zone to buy. That's why this model relevant and will be relevant until we or invalidate or they hit another all-time high. Because the level is absolutely legit. Why? Because everything is controlled by market makers. So they deliver the price to the right target in the right moment when they need it. And only on the Binance, with a spike, we invalidate the idea. I would like to show you. So here, it's a daily time frame, how to work with this model. Highly recommend you go and check free educational video. Here we dump it to the OK zone to buy. After that, hold the line at 61 level FIP OK zone to buy. And after we pump it to new all-time high, form the actual highs. So I think the Aptos will hit the new all-time high again. Let's turn off the trade on for a minute. So I think we'll come back to this targets later. So here, this is basically actual high. So I don't want to talk about this as a downtrend line. No, I don't think so. I think this is just the actual highs, and sooner or later, I guess we can come back and sweep that low highs. Here was a test of 38 level by FIP. Come back, it test, perfect test here at 0 level, bounce it, and we hold the line pretty strong. Pretty strong, guys. Take a look how the price respect all the time the level. Here's a 0.5. We hold it, reject at 23, and crash it down basically to the last point, like $1.88, 86 level by FIP. So this is the best zone to buy. I don't know if you get a chance to buy Aptos on that dump or not. But here, if we compare with the Binance, I don't know why the Binance did it. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. Maybe manipulation, maybe market makers, maybe they just turn off their bots soft. So it just pre-planned it before. We can't know. We can't know this insider games. But even in the Binance, I guess we're gonna sweep these actual highs and go to new all-time high, just a matter of time when. So let's analyze once again on the Bybit and take a look on OKX. Absolutely the same story. So we stop it exactly at normal, healthy, the best zone to buy. Invalidation if the token dump under $1. In this case, this blocks will be like resistance, right? So now this is zones. It's accumulation and support for the Bybit, for OKX on the Bybit. So this one zone, this is the second one zone. This is the zones where more than okay accumulate the Aptos. If you believe, of course, in this project, I skip it because I already full with the other tokens like Starknet, for example. I have of course, I hope, of course, that all fresh new tokens will hit the new all-time highs. But if we choose between the Aptos and the Starknet, I guess the Aptos get more chances to hit the new all-time high. But I don't want to spend one more time my stable coins, which I use now for the futures trade, just to hold some stable coins. One more for another useless token, and potentially stocking this token again if we'll see another dump. That's why I skip all tokens for the spot. The last 3 tokens what I bought on that dump, it was like 1inch, ICP, and Algo. You remember that. So locally, congrats if you get a chance to buy in here. I wish to see to come back once again to test the $2.35. Will be just the brilliant comeback to once again to this block. This is the best zone to buy. This is okay zone to buy. So if you feel okay now, if you feel comfortable to buy at $3.24, once again, the strategy, so $4.50, you withdraw your initial deposit. Pretty simple, guys. Definitely sooner or later, anyway, I believe the Aptos will come back to this block, at least for the test, $8.44 or $9. So it's just a matter of time, and I believe we can hit the new all-time high. We can cut all noise and double check the line chart. Maybe this is a downtrend line, maybe. So if we extend the line right. Let's mark like this one, extend right, and double check with normal line here. So the target anyway can be the test of that downtrend line. When? Nobody knows. Maybe it's gonna be like $15 again in May 2026. Maybe with the spike, some weak candle, we can hit $20. It's hard to say, about it. Targets, right? But now we can see this type of charts. For example, the ENS since 2021 or 2022, also in the indication accumulation pump model, all levels are largest. So if we drop it here, maybe I will try open futures trade, because I guess behind the Aptos, some big guys who anyway will not drop the token now under $1. I think they will hold it, and push it higher. And here they start distribute their tokens again. When also, when it's one of the hypothetical scenario, when we break this downtrend line, for example, people start talking about we go into the moon to $50 to $100 and all of that round beauty numbers. But I think we will never hit the $100 or maybe even the $50. But at least this block possible, and I think we can sweep like maybe $25 is possible for the Aptos. If market will see some crazy money inflow, maybe from the gold to BTC, from the BTC to altcoins. Let's double check what the indicator said, what's going on now. Guys, all levels, it's not like I just wrote now. You can find the videos about Aptos in 2023, what I posted. And I guess even in 2022, I posted some videos about Aptos with the same FIB. So all levels absolutely the same, so nothing new. Nobody could believe, right? So the Aptos dump from $20 to $1.80. So just to be honest, even I won't believe so we're gonna dump it. I just waited the maybe sweep of the low like $3 and bounce, but we dump it like crazy from $5.47 to $1.89. Also, it's kind of weird, guys, when we talk about a fundamental. So what's the point of that fundamental of the token if the token can just dump in 1 day 64%? And it's not about the only Aptos, it's about all other tokens. So it's kind of weird. What I don't like now on Aptos chart, and why I'm not open position futures now, first of all, we not close the 50% of the week, one take. Second one, we didn't see the signal take profit from this sell. So the sell signal, by the way, was October 4 on the daily. It's kind of weird, Of course, the indicators can't predict the upcoming news, but it was kind of strange. We got a signal to sell. Here's a rejection till penny at 23 level FIB, and we dump it. This is kind of weird. 12 time frame also, here's was a sell, rejection till penny 23 level FIB, sell. On 12 time frame we get a signal to buy, signal to buy, but I don't see the signal take profit from the sell. This is kind of weird. That's why I'm not touching. Maybe the plan, maybe I will try open a long position if we're gonna drop it here. The stop loss is hard to say where to put it. Stop loss, maybe here 12%, so 24% stop loss with second leverage with the targets. Definitely we're gonna hit this block. So like 24% against 520. Maybe will be pretty good risk ratio trade. But it's for the futures with second leverage. It's just an idea, guys. So I'm gonna add alert and I'm gonna track it. All right, so weekly time frame, the same story. So if we count the week, the 50% of that week, it can be like 287, 262, and 235. So yes, makes sense to wait. If you want to open position now, you can open it. It's just up to you guys. Maybe it will not drop and not close the 50% of this week, because I think that finally November we will see the green one. But who knows? That's why I just reduced my risk, with positions. Also, take a look by technical analysis. This is could looks like a double bottom, right? So we should form a double bottom and go to the moon to, I guess, over than $30, but it won't happen. So kind of strange per section now on altcoins. So daily time frame, I showed you what's going on with the trade on indicator. Let's double check with other one. ADZ direction, this is accumulation. It's good, it's bullish. No bullish signal on direction indicator, just neutral. Also, this was so obvious, signals to distribution here. Distribution. This one more confirmation. So the indicators doesn't have emotion, and we maybe sometimes can trade this with indicators. Of course, not blindly, but combine the indicators with our strategy, because the indicators showing us, so we need to fix a profit. And nobody could fix the profit in December 2024 before, because we waited the bullish, extra bullish 2025 for the alts, but it was so obvious to fix the profit. Kind of strange. And since March 2025, somebody accumulated Aptos. So I hope these guys accumulate not for like next 5 years. I guess they accumulate for pump this year or maybe next one and take some profit. So maybe together with that, guys, we can fix at least double X. Now we're in capitulation zone, weekly time frame. Good one. Monthly time frame still A3. So this is what I don't like. Daily, of course, it's total capitulation. This one. So yes, it's bullish, but I'm better wait. I'm better reduce my risk and wait. Why not buy now, guys? Take a look. Why not buy now? Because it's potential 30% dump. This is why. So I don't want to buy, especially on the spot, and to open futures trade even with a second leverage. No makes sense. Also, guys, be careful with the cross margin. A lot of people lost the money not because they just gamble full amount of money in position. No, just because they use the cross margin. And maybe Binance especially liquidate that, guys, with that spike. Atom dump it to 1 cent so nobody could survive. So here, money power is October was some accumulation. It's a good one. Weekly time frame, no accumulation. Kind of weird, right? One more example. So here was some accumulation, like 1-2 days accumulation. We bounced it from 588 to 7. Now we dump it like crazy and still no accumulation zone, not accumulation, no money inflow. Kind of strange, right? That's why I'm better trust now indicators and wait. And the last indicator, guys, take profit. So underrated. The altcoins now so oversold. We trade on the weekly frame way under fundamental value of the Aptos. Take profit, it's $9.88. Daily time frame, I wish to see the test of 50% of this range, like buy line and the fundamental value. So it around like $2.54, $2.35 would be good. 12 time frame here, we dump on the fundamental value, test till penny buy line. So anyway, I wish to see that 2.35. So I'm gonna add alert and just track it. So guys, targets, my idea for local zones for Aptos I showed you. Highly recommend you go and check the free educational video how to work with this model, intention accumulation pump model. Plus, I highly recommend you just go and find the first videos about Aptos so you understand why these levels we track since 2022 to 2023. So it's not red bro in charts, so everything relevant. I hope you like this video. Write please in comment what do you think about Aptos. Do we hit the annual time high or not? If you like to trade with my customer, like I said, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.